What's up, you guys? I just wanted to share this idea I had a couple of nights ago related to my birthday. By the way, this is like the coolest thing ever, in my opinion. Like, without a doubt, so lucky of me to have this special birthday thing because in 21 days, I will be turning 21 years old. Okay? And my birthday is on September 21. Like, that is so mind-blowing to me. Like, oh. It's absolutely amazing because 21 is my favorite girl group of all time. And I'm turning 21 years old, which is like a once-in-a-lifetime thing. And that's such a wonderful age. And people always, value their 21st birthday. And my birthday's on September 21st. Like, oh my god. 21, 21, 23. 3 in a row. Like, I don't really have any plans for my birthday quite yet. But we don't really celebrate my birthday, so... So this is where you guys come in, my lovely subscribers here on YouTube. And the idea I had was to have this compilation of birthday shoutouts from you guys, and I'll post that as my birthday video for this year. For those who don't know, I've been making birthday videos to myself for the past 2 years. My 19th birthday and 20th birthday, I have videos on those. And for my 21st birthday, I wanted to make it special. I wanted to see my subscribers and put a face to the username, if you will. And yeah, I'll be doing all the editing. I hate editing, you guys know that. But I'll do it because I love you. To further explain, if you'd like to give me a short birthday greeting or a long one, doesn't really matter, leave it as a video response to this video. And I will watch it and I'll edit all the videos together into one huge Patrick birthday greeting video. It sounds a little self-centered, but I just wanted to see how many people would actually do it, and it would actually be a cool video and you guys would be able to see other viewers that watch my videos, and maybe you guys could make new friends or something, you know? Your video could be as short as, "Hey, this is Bruce, and I just wanted to say happy birthday to Patrick from Freshly Flipped. Yeah." Or it could be as long as your life story, or you could confess your love to me, even though I don't know why you would love me. But, you never know. I mean, maybe people want to share stories with me or something, or maybe they want to share how they got into my videos. That could be awesome too. I don't really care what you put in the video. No nudity. That's for sure. Yeah, no nudity, please. This is not gonna be one of those kind of videos, So like I said, leave a video response down below to this video saying whatever you want to me, whether it be bad or good or sexual or cutesy or whatever. And you have until September 20th to send all your video responses, if I get video responses, that is. If you've never made a video and you want to give me a shout out, then hey, you can give me a video response. I don't mind. I don't care how you send it, whether it's from your laptop, webcam, a phone. There's no limit to how long the video can be, but just know that I'm going to be cutting a little portion from everyone's video and putting it into the big birthday video. And like I said, you have until September 20th to send your video responses. Just know that the earlier you send your video responses, the more likely you are to actually be in the birthday video. So don't wait till the last minute. Don't be like me and procrastinate. You don't have to be an editing master. You don't have to edit anything. You can do it, one take, which I personally can't do. But if that's what you gotta do, then that's what you gotta do. If that's what you want to send in, then you can send that. I don't mind. I'm gonna be doing all the editing anyways. So more work for me, in reality, because I have to take all these video responses and compile them all up into one video. So I'm going to be doing all the work, even though this video is for myself. But for you guys also, like I said, this is a way for you guys to see each other and to find people that have similar interests as you, because you guys all watch my videos, so that's already one interest, you know. But yeah, I hope you guys have fun with this. Have fun with this. I don't care what you do. Just don't hurt yourself. Don't hurt anyone. Don't hurt any animals. Don't do anything crazy. Patrick, happy birthday, and then you jump off a bridge or something. Like, no, that's no. So I tried to explain that to the best of my ability. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments below and I'll be happy to reply back. And yeah, that's about it. Like I said, I'm turning 21 in 21 days on September 21. Thank God I have such an awesome birthday. Like, I'd be happy to help you guys in any way possible if you guys have any questions. Like I said, you have until September 20th to send in those videos. Hope you guys have a good weekend, and I will see you guys very, very soon. Bye! Ingat!